Hi guys, my name is Ata and today topic is TikTok. TikTok is a social media platform that allows user to create and share short videos, typically ranging from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. It was launched in China in 2016 under the name Douyin and later rebranded as TikTok for international markets. TikTok is known for its short form video content, creative features like filters, effects, and music, algorithm driven for you page showcasing curated content, hashtag challenge and trends, do it features allowing user to co-create content, integration, recreation, and comment features for users, live streaming capabilities. TikTok has become incredibly popular especially among younger generation with over a billion active users worldwide, available in 150 markets and 30 languages. Average user session duration of around 52 minutes. TikTok is used in various purposes like entertainment, self-expression, creativity, marketing, education, advertisement, socialization, and community building. In short form video format and engaging features have made TikTok a unique influence platform for social media landscape. Algorithm. TikTok algorithm uses AI to learn user preferences and serve content that's likely to engage them. Challenges. TikTok is known as its viral challenges where users can create content around a specific theme or hashtag. Do it. Users can co-create content with others even if they are not online at the same time. Effect. TikTok offers a wide range of creative effects from basic filters to advanced AR capabilities. Music plays a huge role on TikTok, with users often creating videos to set a popular song or trending audio clips. Reaction filter. Users can react to videos with filters similar to Facebook reaction. Live streaming. TikTok allows users to broadcast live videos to their followers. Gaming. TikTok has grown gaming community with users creating content around games or streaming gameplay. Shopping. TikTok is expanding into e-commerce. It allows users to purchase products directly from the app. Augmented reality. TikTok offers advanced AR capabilities, allowing users to create immersive experience. Community. TikTok has strong focus on community with users often engaging with each often through comments, duets, and hashtag. Influencers. TikTok has given rise to a new generation of influencers who have built massive following on the platform. Brand partnership. Brand partner with popular TikTok creator to reach the app and vast basis. Enhanced content. TikTok is also known for enhanced purposes with creators sharing knowledge and skills. Cultural impact. TikTok has a significant impact on popular culture with trends, memes, and often ongoing platform. Monetization. TikTok offers various monetization options for creators, including ad revenue sharing, brand partnership, and the creator fund. TikTok or live streaming features allow users to connect with their audience in real time. TikTok stories, similar to the Instagram stories, which disappear after 24 hours. Hashtag challenge. TikTok hashtag challenge encourage and user generated content and drive engagement. Reaction filters. TikTok reaction filters allow users to express themselves and engaging with content in more dynamic way. AR effect. TikTok AR effects enables creators to add a interactive immersive element to their videos. Green screen. TikTok green screen features allow feature to change background of their videos. Voice effect. TikTok voice effect enable creator to modify their voice in various ways. Duet reaction. TikTok duet reaction allows creator to react to each other in videos in real time. Video editing. TikTok offer a range of videos editing features, including trimming, splitting, and merging clips. TikTok safety features such as restrict and block help users to manage their online interactions.